The enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, or ELISA, is an extremely sensitive test that is used to detect antibodies or specific antigens. The direct ELISA is a test for the presence of antigen. In this procedure, a known antibody is adsorbed to the inside of the well in a microtiter plate. After rinsing to remove excess antibody, the sample suspected of containing the antigen is added. Next, an enzyme-linked antibody that can react with the antigen is added. If antigen is present in the well, the enzyme-linked antibody binds to it and is retained. The colorless substrate for the enzyme is then added. Development of color indicates the presence of the antigen. In the indirect ELISA, antigen is added to the microtiter plate well, and the antigen attaches to the walls of the microtiter plate. After rinsing to remove excess antigen, the serum suspected of containing the antibodies is added. Enzyme-linked antibody capable of reacting with the constant region of other antibodies is then added, followed by addition of the colorless substrate. Development of color indicates the presence of the antibody being identified.